Hello guys, this is me trying to take some food for myself, to enjoy myself, to take care of myself. No matter anything, I need to take care of myself. To also say to myself, Happy Valentine. Despite anything, to also say to myself, Happy Valentine. I need to enjoy myself. Also say to myself, Happy Valentine. Despite anything. Now we are seeing. I want to eat my food. I want to enjoy myself. Now when my food there, see my food there. See my own food there. You understand? This one here, now my friend home. My pali home. This one here, now my own here. One you say, I don't take care of myself, guys. Wherever you are, enjoy yourself. But remember, we have to plan for the future. We have to plan for the future. No matter anything, we have to plan for the future. Don't let anybody intimidate you. In a country like this, since the government of the country have decided, not to be responsible, to do the right thing in our country, so that we too can also benefit in our country. Where Papa God send us, say no come. Because nobody we send ourselves to this country, Nigeria. Now God Himself, He created us, He sent us to Nigeria country. So if the government in the country doesn't want to be responsible to do the right thing in the country, doesn't mean that we ourselves, we should give up on ourselves. Everyone needs to rise up to hustle in the right way, do the right thing, to make sure say your life change. I always tell people that if you want to complain, you'll be able to change your life for you. The only thing that can change life for you is action. Action in your business, action in your work, more action towards your career. And if you want to make government change, you just need to take an action towards government, direct, without complaining. Simple. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine once again. Make sure you share this video. This myself. Shout out behind the camera. Thank you so much. God bless all of you.